apple cider, but your hair is smelling like fruit punch, and I don't even like you that much. Wait, I do. Fuck. Call.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, I want to share a book about healing with kindness. This story is inspired by hadith narrated by Al-Bukhari that those who are not kind to others will not receive kindness. Before we start, we need to know about the character. This is Ali. This is an orange cat, little one. This is Amin. And the last one is Siti. On a bright sunny morning, Ali was playing in the backyard. Ali was a very energetic boy, but he had one bad habit. He loved teasing animals. Sometimes he would chase the bird, and other times he would poke at the butterfly resting on the flowers. Ali did not quite understand what it meant show love and kindness yet. Ali walked toward the flower at the garden. Suddenly, his ears caught a tiny sound coming behind the bushes. The sound like meow meow. It sounded very weak, and Ali stopped jumping around. He tried to find where the sound coming from. Ali pushed aside the large leaf under a big tree. They found a small orange kitten hiding in the fire. Ali noticed the kitten's back leg was red and bleeding. The kitten looked up at Ali with a big watery eye, as if it were crying for help. When Ali looked at the kitten, Ali remembered what his father told him at the mosque yesterday. His father said that Prophet Muhammad SAW once told, "Who do not show mercy will not be shown mercy." Ali stood still for a moment. He took about all this time he had these animals before. Ali knelt down on the grass. This time, he did not chase. He lowered his body and said a very soft voice. Ali said, "Don't be afraid, little one. My name is Ali. I will not hurt you. I want to help you." The kitten stopped trembling and began to look at Ali. Ali remembered he had a water bottle with him. He took the bottle cap and poured a little bit of clean water into it. Ali slowly reached out and placed the water near the kitten's nose. The thirsty kitten began to lap up the water calmly. Ali smiled as he watched. Ali took a small blue handkerchief from his pocket. He damped it with some water and carefully wiped the dirt from the kitten's wound. Ali said, "Just little more, little one. Your leg will be clean soon." Ali whispered. The kitten stayed still and as if it knew Ali was trying to heal it. Once the wound was clean, the orange kitten did not run. Instead, it stood up and stared, rubbing its head against Ali's hand. It made soft sound like a kitten purr purr sound, showing it feels safe. Ali felt a warm, happy feeling in his heart that he had never felt before. Suddenly, Amin and Siti walked by. They were surprised. to see Ali, who was usually not naughty, stroking a kitten so gently. Wow, Ali, you are so kind, Siti praised. Amin took a packet of biscuit out of his bag. They felt proud to have a loving friend like Ali. Amin and Siti invite Ali to sit under the tree to share the biscuit. They all play together with the orange kitten. Ali realized then when he showed love to animals, not only did the animal love him back, but his friend loved him even more. This is the magic of kindness. Lastly, let's read about moral of the story. When we show mercy to Allah's creatures, Allah will soften the heart of others to love us in return. Kindness does not only heal wounds, it builds beautiful bridge of friendship. Like hadith narrated by Al-Bukhari said, those who not kind to others will not receive kindness.